Pretty cool, hey?
Pretty awesome stuff.
Wow, is that ever something?
This is Jonathan's custom bike that he's been building for a year, and tonight is the first night that we have started it up, and that's pretty awesome.
Wow, very cool.
Good stuff. We have Jean here now. She's gonna see it go.
Okay, you gotta turn this off, right?
Yep. As soon as it starts, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you turn it on for me when we're ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Ready, Mom? How do you like that, Mama?
That is great. That's amazing, Lauren.
Is that something else or what?
I can't believe you did all. I don't know. I did all this.
We built that, Mama.
Yeah, I know. It's amazing.
Isn't that great?
Honey, what do you think of your creation?
Something else, that's for sure.
Oh, it's amazing.
Something pretty special.
Yeah,
113 cubic inch.
Wow. Beautiful bike.
120 horsepower and 120 torque.
This is the beast.
There won't be anything keeping up to this on the road.
Yep. Good job, darling.
Hopefully I'll be able to ride it.
Yeah. Well, this is the first time we've started it tonight, so that is awesome. That is a cool looking bike.